Issues that Mama Inebantu is passionate about is the family and the values of our community. So all those are going to be in my presentation. I am Nkomengerezo Wakabwa Katukiro. His message is that the king instructed him to tell you that Muluso Gabakoba nti awabi wetolwaki namani aka kumuni nonani akatola niwe mwemi. So it is a call to appeal to you to be receptive to Chamazinga initiatives and to be able to reply to the call of His Majesty, so that we can come up with a solution that is going to help us reduce teenage pregnancy by 10% in 5 years. When the king is recognized and given a target, okuswala tulina kuba twena tukoze eki tumuleteze down ya swala. Thank you very much.